Come in. Chief. Detective. You heard about the murders going on?
Sure have.
What do you think about it?
Pretty nasty.
Yeah. You're one of my finest detectives. You understand that? I'm giving you this case. Get it done.
Shall be done, sir.
Think of the family. Boys,
Fine, sir.
going well?
Yes.
Got a case for you two.
Yes, boss.
You know, Chief Detective?
Yep. Yes.
Something fishy about him.
I agree, sir. Very suspicious.
Think
Yes,
it's-
sir. There's connections to more.
I think it's related to those murders. I want to take it care of. You know what I mean.
Yes, boss.
Get on it. Get out of here.
Yes, sir.
Guy just come running, desperate, with a knife and stabbing people like that. He wasn't showing his face because he was with a knife in the front, but he was.
Come in.
Chief, you called me in.
Miss Anderson, I believe you reported your wife going missing.
That's exactly it. Do you have any information? Any whereabouts? Anything?
Well, this is all that's left of her. The boys up in autopsy said the body was too damaged.
Can't be dead.
We assure you, we're doing our best to catch this killer and bring justice to this town.
Something seems off. Is everything okay?
Sir, I can guarantee you, we are doing all we can.
People of this town don't have time for this.
Sir, how about you leave the policing to us and the grieving to yourself?
We need justice. Come on, there are people getting killed. There are people dying out there. What are you going to do?
We're doing all we can, sir. It's not as easy as the crime shows on TV.
You better step on this case.
You don't tell me what to do in my office. You understand that, Mr. Anderson?
I understand.
Well, get out. We got work to do.
Step on this case.
Today, other witnesses described how the attacker fled this scene and some officers went after him on foot. He was eventually brought down.
Come in.
Chief,
Detective.
it's only been 24 hours. Why'd you call me in?
Did you not recall I gave you this case?
Yes.
I was looking for justice to be served.
Where'd you have it, sir?
You scum. It was you behind all these murders.
No,
And I have the evidence to prove it.
that's not true, sir. It must have been a mistake.
I will get the information out of you.
But I didn't do it, sir.
This is for the family. This is for the crimes. And this is for the damn murders.
Hello, boss.
Boys, looks like we got a murder over here.
Yes, boss.
The evidence?
Right here, sir. I have located these suspicious footage of him. And I have found these two shotgun shells located in his leg. So what's the protocol?
Let's give him a nice little booking. Take him away.
You're with the boss.
I need you to tell me everything you know about the Tracer Bullet.
Well, he's the king of the underground. He's one of the most dangerous people in London. He's incorporated with all of the bad gangs. He trades drugs, murders people at his own will.
Well, that's not all you know. You have to tell me more.
I don't know anything else.
Do you have any guns?
There's one under the table.
You're lucky I'm in the mood for a fight today. Let's dance. Stay out of this. This ain't in your ballpark.
Out of my bar, punk. Please don't hurt me. I'm not part of this.
Save your sorrows for the devil.
Hello? Is anybody in here? Wait a minute. These guns. These are the guns at the bar. No. No, it can't be. This is the gun. This is the gun used by Tracer Bullet. What's this?
Nighty night.
What's with the commotion up here?
And we've got an unconscious man here.
Yes, the telegraph calls are getting more abnormal each day.
All right. Up you go.
So you've been in a terrible accident. All right, up you go. And do you recognize the cause of this destruction?
Are you in any way associated with this?
And it seems to me that there had only been one visitor here since last week. And to
That
my
is
experience,
you.
yes, exactly. So, what's the protocol?
Take him away.
Yes. Sir, you are under arrest for destruction of publicly owned asset.
And public defecation.
You are under arrest.
Hello? Who are you? Like, we have to get out of here.
It's no use. I've been trying for days.
Are you just gonna give up? There are people getting murdered out there, and whoever's doing it is getting away with it. We have to get out of here.
I told you there's no use. You'll just end up killing us anyways. Leave us to rot in jail.
I have to get out of here. He killed my wife. I have to avenge her, okay? Don't you want to amount to anything? Don't you want to redeem your good name?
Look, I'm sorry. He took everything away from me too. My job, my reputation. We're all just pawns in his little game. And now he's gonna throw us away like chess pieces.
Well, I'm sorry. If you want to stay here and let me get away with this, that's okay. But I'm gonna get out of there and kill him. And if I don't kill him, I'm gonna die trying. You.
Mr. Anderson, better hush hush. Time for interrogation.
No! No! Not like this. Let him go!
Won't you? You know what? I won't take him, but I'll take both of you.
You. Why are you doing this?
Mr. Anderson, I'll tell you everything, but patience. Take a little bit. Soak it in.
Chief, is there anything that you would want us to do?
I think I've got it from you, boys.
Alright, boss. Actually, Chief, we worked hard. Mind if I give him a little booking?
Get your legs in. Make it quick. That's enough. Leave some of the fun to me, eh?
Yes, boss.
Good work.
So,
So, Mr. Anderson, you came close, but not close enough. You know, one day I was a simple man like yourself, wore the same badge, thought the same things, until that fateful day where I started looking into the mob.
What are you doing? No! What is that? What are you
You'll
doing?
find out, little man.
What are you doing? What is this?
You know, when I investigated the mob, I realized it's all simple. The government, the very people, they're all brainwashed. There is no hope. Everyone, yourself, your family, your goddamn wife, you're all fucking bastards to me. Does it look like I care? There is no hope in this town, or this city, or the country. It's all burning, and you're gonna burn with it.
Why me? What did I do? We can reason!
Well, Mr. Anderson, you're just a pawn in the game, ready to go out. Have fun. Hasta la vista. You know what, Mr. Anderson? I wanted to end the world, but I'll settle on ending yours tonight. that's it, boys. The last little stepping stone in front of our success is gone.
Sorry, boss. Second to last. Alright. Now, the riches of this town, the fame of both of these dead men, shall be
Mine.